dental amalgam, a filling material used to fill cavities in teeth, is a mixture of mercury, silver, tin, and copper. The mixture contains 10 parts of mercury, 6 parts of silver, 3 parts of tin, and 1 part of copper by mass. What fraction of the mixture is mercury? What fraction of the mixture is silver? What fraction of the mixture is tin? How much of each metal does 80 grams of the mixture contain? Solution. There are 10 plus 6 plus 3 plus 1 equals 20 parts in the mixture which make up the whole. The ratio is 10 to 6 to 3 to 1 of mercury to silver to tin to copper. Hence, the fraction of mercury equals 10 over 20 equals 1 over 2. There are 6 parts of silver in the mixture. Hence, the fraction of silver equals 6 over 20 equals 3 over 10. There are 3 parts of tin in the mixture. Hence, the fraction of tin equals 3 over 20. We have been given the total mass of the mixture. Using the fractions that we have calculated earlier, we can determine the mass of each metal in the mixture of mass 80 grams. The fraction of copper is 1 over 20. Therefore, 80 grams of dental amalgam contains 40 grams of mercury, 24 grams of silver, 12 grams of tin, and 4 grams of copper.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Maskly to help you and let the math finally start mathing.